Alright folks, we're diving into something that's been on everyone's radar for a while now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. After the dust settles from the Galaxy S26 launch, all eyes are turning towards Samsung's next big thing, the foldables. But if you were expecting some wild changes to the upcoming Z Flip, you might want to hold your horses for a second. So what's the deal? Well, the Z Flip 8 has just popped up on China's 3C certification platform. And as expected, it's bringing some pretty familiar specs to the table. Let's break it down. First off, the charging speed. The model number SMF7760 just got listed, and guess what? It's looking like the Flip 8 is going to stick with the same 25-watt wired charging speed as last year's Flip 7. Yeah, that's right. No significant jump in charging speed. While 25 watts is decent, it's not exactly groundbreaking, especially when some of its competitors are pushing faster charging tech. And if you were hoping for a bigger battery to go with that, well, you're going to be a little disappointed. Reports are suggesting the Flip 8 will have a dual battery system with a combined capacity of 4,174 mAh. If Samsung sticks with this, we're looking at pretty much the same battery size as the Flip 7 4,300 mAh. That's enough for a full day of moderate use, but it's nothing special when compared to what other brands are doing with newer battery tech. Now let's talk cameras. The Flip 8 is likely going to keep the same setup as the previous model 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. Not bad, but not exactly mind-blowing either. If you were expecting a massive leap in mobile photography, looks like you'll be waiting another year. But it's not all bad news. The Flip 8 will still bring some upgrades, and that's where the performance side comes in. We're talking about a new chip, likely the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600 depending on where you are. That's going to be a nice bump in performance, but it's not like the device is going to radically change the foldable game. So here's the big question. Should you wait for the Flip 8 or just grab the Flip 7 now? Well, if you're on an older foldable and want something fresh, the Z Flip 7 is still a beast. But if you're someone who absolutely wants the latest processor and the newest tweaks, then yeah, waiting a few more months for the Flip 8 might be worth it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.